Yes, see, before your class line, all your seniors are standing. So those people will follow the step. Dinesh sir will be doing the Zumba steps, and you can follow the seniors if you are not able to see Dhinesh sir. All of you, hands on your hip. 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 Head roll. Head roll. Head rotation, right to left, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Just look at the teachers who are doing it. Stretch your arms. Rotate it forward.
Stop talking.
No noise. No talking. Backward. Backward. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Rotate your hip. Wow, that looks good. Rotate your hip. Reverse. Teachers, I can't see you doing. Teachers in the back. Benita ma'am, no movement. Hands open, stretch your hands. Touch your toes. Alternatively. Children, do it gracefully, children. This is Zumba dance. Do it gracefully. Hold your toes. Okay. So far, we did it warm up. Okay? So far, it was just warm up. Are you ready now for the Zumba?
Five, 6, 7, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is there a sound? Okay, everybody show the thumbs up. Everybody.